Common across all types of SharePoint site is the concept of a site template. Now, a site template is simply a look and feel that you can apply for your SharePoint site, whether it's communication or a team site, that helps you build in the features that you need. You could apply a template, for example, to service the needs of a project management site. And through this template, various different web parts that we'll talk about in a moment and features will be enabled for you. Your organisation can also create their own templates and share these so that you achieve some continuity through all of your SharePoint sites. What do I mean by web part? Think of it like a component that you're adding to a page which can perform an action. The action could be to expose some information, or it could be to capture some information. There are many versatile uses for web parts. For example, within a team site, if you've produced a Power App that people want to use, you can add a Power App right there within the team site for people to use instantly. A web part might be Microsoft News, for example. It may be a list of information that you want to expose easily on your homepage. Content management in this way becomes really simple using SharePoint.